Stop wasting time when you want to group and ungroup objects from this top panel here, when you can use your own customized keyboard shortcut. Let me show you how. You're going to go to Customize and click on Customize User Interface. Here you find all the list of commands or actions in 3Max. For this example, we're going to find a shortcut for group. So we're going to write it down, or you can just navigate using the scroller. While clicking on the action button here, we're going to go to the hotkey and type down on our keyboard the action shortcut that we want to use when we want to group. For this example, I'm going to use Shift G. I'm going to assign it. As you can see here, the shortcut for the group is now Shift G. I'm going to do the same when it comes to closing the group using I and opening the group using O. And I'm going to assign each of them this shortcut. After that, instead of going up and grouping them from this panel here, we just simply write on the keyboard Shift G. If you want to open the group, use the shortcut O to open the group or I to close the group.